अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मसरूर एजुकेशन इंसाइट्स। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं पाक स्टडीज़ के इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ जो आने वाले आइंदा एनटीएस, एफपीएससी और पीपीएससी के टेस्ट में इंतहाई कारआमद साबित होंगे। इसके अलावा एफआईए और पंजाब हाईवे और पेट्रोलिंग पुलिस के टेस्ट में भी ये एमसीक्यूज़ काफ़ी कारआमद साबित होंगे। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Under which scheme did Muslim League strengthen the demand of separate electorate for the Muslim? And the answer is Delhi Proposal 1927. Question number 2. Which political party was in power in North West Frontier Province, now KPK, at the time of independence? Congress. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Quiet India movement? And the answer is Lord Linlithgow. When did Simla Conference held? And the answer is 1945. Who presented the Lahore Resolution, Pakistan Resolution, on 23rd March 1940? A.K. Fazlul Haq. In March 1942, he came to subcontinent with some proposal to solve the constitutional problems. And the answer is Stephen Cripps. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Dash in the first battle of Panipat in 1526. Babur. Who supported the Pan-Islamism in the subcontinent? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Boundary Commission was headed by Cyril Radcliffe. Nawab Abdul Latif founded the Muhammadan Literacy Society in April 1863 at Kolkata. Who founded the Muhammadan Literacy Society in 1863? And the answer is Nawab Abdul Latif. Act of 1935 consisted how many sections? And the answer is 321. The deliberation of Act 1935 preparation was printed over how many pages? 326. The Act of 1935 contained how many schedules? And the answer is 10. Act of 1935 contained how many parts? And the answer is 14. The first emperor of Tughlaq dynasty, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Sir Sultan Muhammad Shah, the Aga Khan, headed the historic Silma deputation, which successfully represented Muslim demand on 1st October 1906 before Lord Minto. Delhi Proposal was published in which year? And the answer is 1927. The first Urdu newspaper in Indian subcontinent was? And the answer is Jame Jahanuma. When All Indian Muslim League celebrated the Victory Day? January 1946. Thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.